Hey there, Tyler here at Troncalli. This is just a quick tutorial on the instrument cluster in a Dodge Challenger. It's a 2023. I had somebody who was curious about where to bring up the fuel range on their instrument display. So this one's actually set up that way, and that's something that you can change, and you can see it right here on the upper left corner. So we're going to come back out here and look at the buttons here on the steering wheel. This little direction pad right here, I'm going to hit the down arrow, and as I do, it's going to start going down through the screen. So here's vehicle info, here's performance, here's fuel economy, and you actually can see the range to empty in the upper left portion. You hit the right arrow right here, and it'll pull up the current fuel economy. Come down to trip info, and there's two trip meters, A and B. And I personally use A for fill-ups and use B for oil changes, but I don't know what everybody else does. That's just what I do. Here's what's playing on the radio. Any messages that your vehicle has for you, like if there's a fluid that's low. And right here you can go in and change your screen. So I'm just going to hit the OK button right now. And I'm going to highlight the upper right. And that just hit the down arrow to get that. Then I'm going to hit OK. And now I can put a different data point up there in the upper right corner. So I'm going to show the average fuel economy, again, just by moving the down arrow and then hitting the OK button to select average, and that's what saved that data point to the upper right. But maybe I do want to see the outside temperature, and I want to see it right there in the center. So I'm going to hit OK. So that put the outside temperature up there. So the upper left, it's already set on the range. So come down here to range, and if the check mark's not there, you just hit OK to save the set point. So that's just a quick tutorial on the instrument cluster display on this Dodge Challenger. The same or pretty darn close to it is going to be the case for any new Dodge, either the Challenger, the Charger, or the Durango. So if you want to see a system in your vehicle demonstrated, not like a collision system, please, because I won't do that, but something like this or anything on one of your radios, drop me a line. My number is 470-296-1778. You can leave a comment in the messages below. If you happen to like this particular car, you haven't seen the outside of it, but this is a new 2023 Dodge Challenger SXT, and it is for sale here at Troncalli. This particular one is a black with the black top package on it, but I'll put a link in the description of the video to its listing on our website so you can check it out. But again, this is Tyler at Troncalli. Number is 470-296-1778. Hope you all are having a great night. We'll talk to you soon.